Hey there, Space Monkeys. Let's do part 3 of our How to Write a Research Memorandum video. Today we are going to draft the conclusion and put together the works cited page. Yay, fun! So let's jump right into it. Now, I've done my issue, I've done my response. I've written several pages of analysis with relevant illustrations. And now it's time to sum it all up in a conclusion. This is more than just restating your thesis. This is more than just restating your short answer, because we want to point to the most important pieces of evidence which we use to reach our conclusion. So I'm going to remember everything I wrote up here in my evidence, and I'm going to come on down and put that conclusion together. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I draft a quick conclusion. And it goes here, number 4, conclusion. Okay, I'm back. And what I did was I summarized all the evidence that I had previously put together in my memo up top and reduced it to a conclusion. And my conclusion was that Germany was not the provocateur of World War I, but was involved in the war's beginnings. And that's everything my evidence indicates. So remember, for your conclusion, summarize your evidence, not just your idea. Summarize your evidence and then put it in the conclusion. The first sentence of your conclusion should basically be a repetition of your thesis statement from the beginning of the paper, from your response. All right, now we're going to move on to how to create the works cited page. If you need to, you can put a page break on there by going Insert, Pages, Page Break, and that gives you a blank page on which to make your works cited pages. I've already done that, and so down here I should have a works cited page. And I've got it started. Now, here's the thing. All of these citations that you put in your research organizer and which you used in your brief, you need to copy them over into your works cited page and then put them in alphabetical order. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to drop it over here. I tend to paste everything in and then alphabetize it. It's up to you, however you do it. But I want to make sure I get all of my good citations in there. Just like that. All right, I'm going to pause and I'm going to copy over all the citations that I'm using. Back in a second. Okay, now I have everything pasted in. You'll notice I also have it alphabetized by citation. And I just need to make it look good. So go ahead and highlight it all. I want to change the font to my Times New Roman 12 point. And just like that, I'm largely finished. Now there's one more thing that makes it look really good. Is you got to indent the second line. How do we do that? I go ahead and I highlight all the paragraphs I want to change, and then I use this little slider up here on the ruler to move everything in, and then I just move the top line back. And you see how nice that looks and how easy to read it is? Lovely, lovely. All right, guys, you have a lot. Oh, there's one more thing I want to do. I want to put page numbers in here. Let me show you. Oh, Rosfell, you're so awesome. And let me show you how to include the page numbers. So go on up here to your first page, somewhere at the beginning, and I think on page layout. Whew, I've forgotten. Hold on one second. Oh, here we go. Insert page number, bottom of the page, plane number 2 centered. And there it is. So I've got my page numbers down here on all the pages. Looks great. All right, make sure you save your work. Periods 2 and 3, minimum 6-page memo. Periods 5, 4, and 7, 10-page memo. You have a lot of writing to do. Please focus and do a great job. All right, have fun with it. I will see you on the other side. Bye.